Well, summer vacation is well underway, and it's the perfect time to entertain and have our friends and family over for an outdoor gathering. Lifestyle contributor Limor Suss has some great must-have products to make these events really memorable and fun, starting with a really crisp drink for us because it's hot here in the Valley. Good morning.
Good morning. Yes. So what's summer without a refreshing beverage to drink on? So Wonder Juice, Wonder Melon, and Wonder Lemon are the perfect go-to this summer. So I love fresh watermelon juice, but I don't have time to make it. So Wonder Melon has 3 delicious options. They are so great. They are 100% real cold-pressed juice. They're made without added sugars, artificial flavors, or colorings. Now there's watermelon, cucumber, basil, watermelon, lemon cayenne, and plain watermelon. They're perfect on their own with a straw right out of the fridge, or you can make them into a cocktail. I also love the Wonder Lemon juices for quick and easy refreshing drinks, or you can make them into popsicles. They're available in lemon basil jalapeno, lemon ginger, and lemon mint. You can get them right at your local supermarket, like local Smart and Final, or you can get them delivered right to your door from Amazon.
I love it. Now, you also have a great way to elevate our summer dishes because we want to impress our guests even a little bit.
Yeah, you know, when it comes to serving up flavorful summer dishes, nothing beats the convenience of Mighty Sesame Organic Tahini. All you do is you just simple squeeze of the bottle, takes your recipes to the next level. So it's made with only 1 superfood ingredient, which is organic sesame seeds. And it really adds a creamy, nutty flavor to all of your summer dishes, from your dressings to your dips and desserts and so much more. So over here, I actually used it to make a delicious coleslaw for the perfect light and tasty summer side dish. So instead of using mayo, I actually used the Mighty Sesame Organic Tahini. I also love adding it onto grilled lettuce or grilled eggplant. And of course, all of my barbecue meats, from grilled chicken to burgers. It has 8 grams of protein per serving. And Mighty Sesame Tahini is not only mighty good on everything, but it also provides nutritional value to all of your meals. And you can find it at your local supermarket like Safeway and select Target stores.
All right, so we have the drink and we have a fancy side dish. Talk to me about dessert, because you got to have that too.
Yeah, you know, what's a summer gathering without some ice cream? And even if you're sensitive to dairy, that doesn't mean you have to miss out. So LACTAID has you covered with a variety of delicious ice cream flavors made with real milk and cream, but without the lactose, so you can satisfy your sweet tooth without the worry. So whether you prefer vanilla, chocolate, salted caramel, cookies and cream, or cookie dough, there's a flavor for everyone. It's perfect for summertime Sunday creations, and this time-saving serving hack is so easy. All you do is line a muffin pan with paper cups, scoop in your LACTAID ice cream, then pop the pan in your freezer. Now your scoops are ready to go when it's ice cream time. You can also blend the ice cream with LACTAID milk to make a real dairy milkshake that's so delicious. And you can find LACTAID ice cream at most mass retailers, drug and grocery stores.
And last but not least, we have to talk about this because, well, we're getting all these foods ready. The bugs always want in on the fun, and you have a way to stop that.
Yeah, you know, we all know that summertime can bring on the bugs, but we can keep them off of our food and entertaining platters all summer long with the Zevo Flying Insect Trap. Now, it actually uses UV and blue light to attract and trap flies, fruit flies, and gnats. It's odorless, it's mess-free, and it's perfect for any room. So whether you're hosting a summer party or just want to keep your living space bug-free, Zevo works 24/7 behind the scenes to help you prepare and to attract and catch more bugs in more places. The new Zevo Max offers the power of 2 traps in 1 device with a 5-foot cord to reach specific problem areas. The starter kit is $19.99 and Zevo Max is $34.99. And you can find both at retailers nationwide.
Good stuff, Limor. Thank you. And if you would like some more information, go to limor.tv and be sure to follow her on Instagram too at Limor Suss.